an extraordinary window onto the heart of cosmopolitan Shanghai over 100 years ago, a true melting pot of cultures. Today, the city's main shopping hub, Nanjing Road, is here bustling with crowds of Chinese and Europeans and patrolled by Sikhs who made up an important part of the international police force. It is the only known surviving example of the film reportage shot by British war correspondent Joe Rosenthal during his coverage of the Boxer Rebellion in China between 1900 and 1901. This footage has been colorized, upscaled, and restored to bring it into the modern world.